I was going together.
This is a tutorial video about how to disable download option of your YouTube video. First method is to use the YouTube Studio app. It's good for changing one video at a time. This is good if you only have one or two videos to change, plus you can do it at the comfort of your handphone or tablet. But if you have more than 10 videos to change, it'll be troublesome. So comes the second method, which I will teach you after. It's good for batch changing. It will, however, require access to web browser. It's not suitable for handphone and tablet. So let's begin with the first method. Run the YT Studio app. It loads to the dashboard screen. Let's scroll down to the video section. Then go ahead, click on the video you want to change. You'll come to this performance info screen. Click on the edit and you will come to the edit video screen and click on the advanced settings button. That you're on the advanced settings screen, disable the allow embedding option. That's it. Now click on the save button and it's done. Now on to the second method, which requires a web browser. I use Chrome here, but really it doesn't matter. First, go to YouTube website and log into your account. Click on the expand button on the top left corner here. Then select your videos button here. Then you reach the channel content page. Here you can select one or multiple videos to change. In my case, I selected all. Then this black option bar will appear. Click on the edit pull down menu. Then select embedding. Finally, change the new value from on to off. Click on the update videos button here. On the prompt, tick and confirm update videos. That's all. Hope you like this video and thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.